How to run assembly language program on Visual Studio Code with one click. Open the Visual Studio Code. Go on Extensions. Type and search an extension called MASM or TASM. Click on this extension. Hit the Install button. This will be installed shortly. Close the pop-up. After the installation complete, close this. Go to Explorer and create new file. The extension will be ASM. Write the Hello World program in assembly language. If you want to know how I write, comment down, I will teach you. Right-click and run MASM. Oh, error generated. I need to remove my first line because this is not part of this language. And run again the program. You can see the Hello World successfully printed. For more latest videos and updates, subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell notification icon.